to my channel and watching Shrektech. And so today I'm back with another video with another good news. As you can see that I've come up with another destruction series on upcoming videos. The destruction series will be soon coming up on my YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and give a like for this video if you want. And if you want to see the destruction series video, the link is gonna pop up right now, and just click on that and watch the video and come back. So here we are, and this is another package from the Flipkart that I've ordered, and this is actually the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, which is so small that you can't imagine that this was actually there on Flipkart. So we'll cut up soon and see what's inside and how does it actually function. Does it actually have a lot of features in it and stuffs. So guys, as you can see, this is the thing that I've actually ordered on Flipkart. So the packing is actually kind of damaged and it's already open. As you can see, I'm gonna return it, I believe, if it doesn't function. And actually this is a mini keyboard with the mouse touchpad along with the TV remote control. So we're gonna see what's inside this again. Oh my god, this is really small. Oh my god, I really didn't expect this small keyboard. Awesome. Okay, this is the left and the right click over here on the mouse, and this is the touchpad. As you can see, this is left, this is scroll up and down, and this is right. And it has a TV remote right here. You can see volume up, change, play, pause, and volume down, and this is okay. And you can actually search. Oh my god, there's a lot of things actually inside this. So let me see whether it's a battery operator or the charging. Amazing. This is okay. This has a USB for actually connecting with or pairing with the device, and this is the battery that I'm talking about here. Awesome. It has this one and the normal batteries. As you can see, you can put AAA batteries or this one, and I don't know how to charge this thing, so let's look on. Okay, here is the charger. As you can see, Flipkart has a lot of stuff, a lot of things which will be coming from charged. So some electronic device come charged, so I guess this is charged. Okay, this is turning on and off. So guys, as you can see, this actually connects through the receivers. So actually there's something inside this thing. So this is not only the battery component. As you can see, it has the USB inside this. So these are the receivers, so I can actually connect to them directly. Actually it requires the OTG cable, and it has automatic turning on and off. That's awesome because it saves your battery also. So as you can see, I've connected to my OTG. So actually, okay, it's a bit hard to get it in. So yep, configure physical keyboard, as you can see. So right now I'm gonna type R. Awesome, it's working. As you can see, I've connected the Bluetooth receiver for this, and right now it's working. So I'm gonna type, let me use this keyboard. Okay, this is where's the backspace? Okay, this is the backspace. Awesome. Right now let's try YouTube. You can see there. Okay, battery is low. Okay, YouTube and .com, and with slash c slash Shrektech. Okay, let me go with the search. I press the enter button, and hopefully it takes me to the YouTube. Awesome. You just search my channel, and it's amazing. This thing is really amazing, and it has a touchpad. As you can see, there's a thing coming up. That's a mouse. Awesome. So there's a left and right clicks, and it's volume up and down. Let me check the functions. Awesome! It can actually go through my Gmail. Okay, let me go enter it. Whoa! Okay, I go back. So there's a search option right here. I'm gonna click it. Oh my god, this thing is small, but it's totally amazing. This thing is really small, but it's totally amazing. So this thing will be going for the giveaway right now. So if you want to actually get this product, the link is in the description. Please check it out. Just click on it, log in through your Facebook, and I'll reach you up soon within a week for selecting my winners on the channel. So this thing will be going for the giveaway, and actually, it's unboxed. So we are going to get a fresh piece, and we are going to give our favorite subscribers the giveaway of this product, the amazing Bluetooth keyboard right in front of you. It's the ergonomic designed keyboard where you can have the touchpad. As you can see, it's moving up. This is amazing. It's working all over. So awesome. You can just move throughout your thing. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is totally amazing product. As you can see, the thing actually requires the OTG cable right in front of you. If you want the OTG cable, the link is in the description. Go check it out. This is a small OTG cable, and as you can see, they have given the USB type B charger for charging this thing along. It comes with the external battery backup. If you want, you can actually put the AA batteries or the AAA batteries inside this one. So it is also handy, as you can see. It's actually handy, and it comes with the automatic turning on and off intelligence. So when you're not actually using it, it's gonna automatically turn it off. So it's amazing. So I'm gonna turn it right now. Okay, it's turned off right now, and actually it works with the Bluetooth receiver which comes in the back of it, so which can actually save a lot of space, a lot of money also, which is like 550 rupees. Come on guys, this thing is really amazing. If you want the product, the link is in the description. Go check it out. The giveaway link is also in the description. And if you want to see the destruction series, the link is gonna pop up right again. And if you like my channel, please give a like, give a thumbs up, and if you want giveaways, please subscribe to my channel right away, share it, so that there's a lot of people watching the video and they would like to get some giveaways from the channel. So we're happy to give our beautiful subscribers for their constant support a small gift right in front of them. So stay tuned for more updates, guys. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and hopefully you guys participate in the giveaway. The link is also in the description. Go check it out. So have a nice day, guys. Shrektech signing out right now.